Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to see other WhatsApp chat in your mobile. Right, so in general, accessing someone else's WhatsApp chat without their permission is a violation of privacy and against WhatsApp policies. However, if you're looking to sync your own WhatsApp chats across devices, you can use the WhatsApp web or linked devices. So here's how. So method number one, you can use WhatsApp web or linked devices. Open WhatsApp on the phone, you want to link, tap on the three dots, after that go to linked devices, or settings and linked devices on iPhone, tap link a device and scan the QR code on the web.whatsapp.com or another device running WhatsApp desktop. Now you can access your chats from another phone or PC. After that, we have method 2, transferring WhatsApp data to another phone. If you switched to a new phone, you can restore chats using Google Drive and iCloud on iPhone for the backups. On your new phone, install WhatsApp, verify your number, and then restore the backup when prompted. If you're looking for parental control or monitoring solution for your own child's WhatsApp, some apps offer supervision features. Guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, press like as always to support our channel. Thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next one.